Oh, I didn't see you there. But for approximately 4 minutes and 30 seconds, let me grab your attention.
Our action plan addresses the problem of an excess of carbon dioxide being put into the environment. According to NASA, humans have increased the abundance of carbon dioxide by 45% since the beginning of the industrial age, which is making big changes in our environment. Carbon dioxide is very damaging to the environment and is a huge factor of climate change. British physicist John Tyndall states that carbon dioxide controls temperature because the carbon dioxide molecules in the air absorb infrared radiation. This is because the carbon dioxide and other gases in the atmosphere are virtually transparent to the visible radiation that delivers the sun's energy to the Earth. This atmospheric temperature rise leads to many other environmental issues such as the rise in ocean temperatures, melting of the ice caps, which leads to a rise in sea levels, and irregular weather and storm patterns. Students should care about this because it's happening quickly and will influence all of our lives. If students don't start caring about the environment now, future generations to come won't be as fortunate as we are. They may not have clean air, water, and the resources we have today.
In order to decrease the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, our plan is to build a community garden. This way, people can grow fruits and vegetables, and the amount of trucks transporting food to the university which release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere will be decreased. For this plan, we will create a garden in the grass field between the Graduate Health Studies building and Morsano Hall. This gives plenty of space for students to grow whatever they like. To build this garden, we will have to hire gardeners to make a rectangular pond. According to HomeGuide.com, the average cost of a gardener in Tampa, Florida is $60 per hour, so you can assume that it will cost around $540 to hire 3 gardeners for 3 hours. We will also need to install an irrigation system to water the plants. This will cost about $2,500. As well, we need enough soil to cover the plot of land, which should cost around $325. Lastly, we will need to hire a gardener to maintain the land monthly, which would cost around $720 a year. This totals to roughly $4,085.
According to ClimateActionBusinessAssociation.org, 28.9% of the 2017 greenhouse gas emissions were from transportation burning fossil fuel from trucks and cars and planes. The community garden will provide oxygen to the air to help reduce pollution. The plants also absorb rainwater, which reduces the amount of runoff that runs through the street and carries pollutants. According to greenleafcommunities.org, more benefits are that community gardens increase access to fresh foods, improve dietary habits, and improve mental health. Lastly, the garden will also give students the chance to socialize through volunteering.
According to theconsciouschallenge.org, transporting food over distances creates large carbon dioxide emissions. Unfortunately, air pollution is associated with cancer, cardiovascular issues, and respiratory issues. Creating food in our own backyard will cut the food miles and also give people the option to stray away from pesticides and harmful chemicals. The University of Tampa should implement a community garden. Our generation can and will save the planet. Now let's hear how real University of Tampa students feel about this.
We're going. Come on, everyone. Let's make a community garden. How do you feel about putting a community garden in the University of Tampa?
I think that's a great idea. It would be very pretty on campus.
Absolutely love it. I think it's a glamorous idea that would benefit a lot of people.
Community garden would be a great idea because it'll give students a chance for community service and will have better food options.
I feel like it's a good idea because it'd bring everyone closer together and it'd be another place for all of us to go to.
I think that's a great idea because I would much rather eat fresh produce that I grow myself than goldfish and pandinis.
I can almost taste the carbon dioxide.
We can save the planet together.